This dessert was incredible. Let me show you how I make it. I use these spring roll pastry wrappers. You could find that in the Asian store or if you have a Weiss market near you. These are the ingredients that I used, and I used 2 sliced bananas. I'm using a couple of banana slices towards the edge with a little bit of crushed peanuts, and then just roll it over twice, tuck in the sides, roll it again, and then just brush it with the flour slurry to seal the edges. I'm doing it a second time just because it takes a little practice to get used to this. You could also leave the peanuts out, but I like it for extra texture. Fill your pan with olive oil or your favorite oil. Add your banana pastry once the oil is hot and fry until golden brown. Check your pastry and turn as needed. The second side cooks quickly. I'm going to apply a little raw honey on one and a little bit of caramel syrup on the other, just to see which one tastes better. I added some more crushed peanuts. Oh my God, this is so delicious. I decided to take it up a notch and add some ice cream, hot fudge, and crushed peanuts. You gotta try this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.